Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. In today's video, I'm gonna take you to where I get my drop front shoe boxes. Let's get right into it. So today I actually got a text message from the Container Store saying that there is a 30% off sale this weekend on everything, y'all. I need some drop front shoe boxes for my sneaker collection because I'm missing like a little section of 6, and then that'll complete and make everything even right now. So since I got that text message, and that's when I really like to buy the containers, when they actually go on sale, because they're a little bit cheaper and I'm all for a discount. But I will link the drop front shoe boxes down below just in case you guys are interested, and if you are interested in shopping this weekend, so you can get this discount. It's 30% off. So they usually run around, I get the small sizes, and they usually run around $54.99. So with 30% off, I'll let you know exactly how much it is when I actually pay for it. But as you can see, we are right outside the Container Store right there. But let's go in and see exactly what all do they have. I've been putting my shoes in these containers for a few years now. I absolutely love them. They come in so many different sizes: small, large, and extra large. I wear a size 4.5 in kids, 6 in women's, and I go for the size small. They also have different colors as well. This location had black, gray, and translucent. I typically just go for translucent. That's my favorite kind because you can actually see your sneakers at a glance. It don't take me long to get dressed at all because I can actually see my sneakers and build an outfit around it. But today was 30% off, like I said before. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link in the description box just in case you guys are interested. And then I'm also gonna show you exactly how I organize my sneakers once I get home. Now that I'm home, I have a designated room for my sneakers and also where I actually create content at. And I just absolutely love my wall. I really feel like I'm just like living out my dreams, y'all. I am a sneaker girly at heart. I love wearing sneakers. And I just usually just get these clear containers from the Container Store and I just reorganize my shoes. I love reorganizing them. I try to do it at least once a month, or anytime that I kind of like buy any new sneakers, I will kind of like reorganize it that way. I kind of like got them in numerical order, going backwards with the Jordans, and then everything else is just like everything else, but you will see that later on in the video. I'm swapping out my Crocs for my sneaker slippers because that just gets me in the mood of like, we're about to get this collection together. It's about to look all cute and stuff like that. But I'm putting all of the cases up, and as you will see, once I get these 6 containers up, it's gonna fill in the gaps where I was missing boxes at. And I just love it when it's all equal and even and things like that. It just looks a whole lot better, and it makes me creating the content a lot better as well, where I don't have to keep turning my camera or it being all out of whack, if that makes sense. But here I am just putting the containers up, and now I'm gonna show you how I actually organize my sneakers. And then just be aware, at the end of the video, my ring light kind of like die out, so I apologize for that in advance. But let's get right into organizing these sneakers and putting them all in order.